Hello, we're here with Mr. Aarav Bafna, who is the founder at Augmont Diamonds. So wonderful to meet you here. We would love to know how the evolution of Augmont has been and how online as a marketplace for diamonds is today.
So overall, the evolution for Augmont in the past year is initially it was just an MVP that we came out with, getting to a very small number of jewelers.
Okay.
Now we're finally starting to see some traction in terms of diamonds, lab-grown diamond sale both in India and the US. And especially this year's JCK event was really helpful for us. After that, we did a road show across the US, which was really helpful. So overall, the platform is doing amazing, and overall, it's really nice.
What is the biggest advantage that buyers right now are finding on the platform?
So the biggest advantage is, of course, price transparency. We've been one of the benchmark pricing platforms for gold since gold traders have gold trade practically became big in India.
Yeah.
And we're bringing that same knowledge towards diamonds. So price transparency is something that jewelers are really liking. That's why you have currently around about 7,500 jewelers transacting on the platform. Apart from that, the jewelers are really liking the lifetime buyback responsibility. They're really because no other platform or no other supplier is giving the option of directly of basically giving an option of lifetime buyback. So that really makes the platform a whole game changer. Apart from that, even jewelers are really keen towards the service that we offer. It's really helpful there for them.
Lovely. This is like the 42nd edition of IIJS Bharat Premiere show. So what is your expectations and how is your overall experience with IIJS been?
So overall experience with IIJS has been quite pleasant. Every year we come. So this is our second edition that we are taking part in.
Yeah.
As the Lab Grown Diamond brand evolves, we are certainly seeing we're in a much better place than we were last year, and we strive to be in a much better place in the coming months as well.
Yeah.
As it is with any business. So overall, we are in a quite good place. This year we've had double the number of walk-ins compared to last year in terms of how many customers are interacting, and yeah, overall it's going really well.
That's lovely. And how many markets are you currently looking forward to? How many buyers are from which areas?
So we have around about 4,500 buyers, 4,500 to 5,000 in India.
Yeah.
And then we have another around about 1,000 to 2,000 in the US.
Lovely.
And we're expanding into the Middle East market soon as well. So the complete Middle East will be catering via international trading hubs like Dubai and Saudi is also looking like a good option. Bahrain is another good option.
Right.
So the complete Middle East markets will be targeting in the next couple of months.
That's lovely. I think with good customer retention, I think these platforms should become benchmarks to diamond trade itself, and companies like Augmont starting here is lovely. Very promising for the industry. So thank you so much for your time, and we wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.